Christmas and a Happy New Year. Binabati ko po kayo ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. Ako po ang inyong Kuya Rene, ang inyong Direk Rene, dito po sa ating PSTV Plus YouTube channel. Ngayon po ay December 25 na, Pasko na po. At syempre, dito sa Aotearoa, New Zealand, nag-uumpisa na yung kainan, yung Noche Buena, yung pagbubukas ng mga regalo at kung ano-ano pa, no? Pero wag po nating kalimutan na Jesus is the reason for the season. Mula po sa aking pamilya, sa aking may bahay na si Florence, ang aking mga anak na si Jess, si Joey at si Jinx. At syempre, ang dalawang pusa namin at tinatawag naming scammers na si Oli at si Chelsea ay binabati po namin kayo ng maligayang Pasko. Alam niyo mga kabarangay, pag mga panahon na ito, ang ating mga kababayan, mga kaibigan, mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, mga kapatid, mga kabarangay ay sumisikap na umuwi ng bansang Pilipinas, no? Para makasama ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. Doon naman sa mga hindi nakaka-uwi ay ginugunita pa rin ang Kapaskuhan sa pamagitan po ng mga video calls, yung mga FaceTime, o di kaya kung kasama po ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, dito kagaya po sa Aotearoa, New Zealand, ay talagang enjoy na enjoy po ang Pasko. Ito pong Pasko ay regalo po sa atin. No? I consider this as a gift to us by our Lord Jesus Christ. Pumunta po siya dito para tayo ay kanyang akayin papunta sa kanyang kaharian. Kaya wag po natin sayangin ang mga panahon na binigay po sa atin para magkaroon po tayo ng Kapaskuhan. At sana po, harinawa ay ang bagong taon naman ay magbibigay sa atin ng magandang kalusugan, kinabukasan, ginhawa, at pagmamahalan. Kaya Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat at enjoy po kayo dyan sa hapagkainan, whatever it is. Kung simple lamang, kagaya ng sinasabi, pinagkasya ang 500 piso para sa Noche Buena o di kaya ay medyo magara ng konti, ay pinaka-importante po dyan ay sama-sama po tayo sa hapagkainan kasama ang ating mga mahal sa buhay. Mga kabarangay, kung hindi pa po kayo nag-subscribe, comment, mangyari po sana ay bigyan nyo kami ng isang subscription para naman magiging masaya at yung patuloy namin magagawa ang aming pagbo-broadcast dito po sa PSTV Plus YouTube channel. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas, I hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young, a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, for weak and for strong, the rich and the poor ones. The road is so long, and so happy Christmas for black and for white, for yellow, brown, and red ones. Let's stop all the fight. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. War is over if you want it. War is over now. War is over if you want it. War is over now.
Kumukuti-kutitap, kumukuti-kutitap. Mini parol, mga kabarangay. Yan po. Ganda. Ang ganda ng representation ng parol galing sa Pampanga. I suppose this is from Pampanga dahil maraming salamat kay Tita Cora, no? Siya ang nag-provide nito, no? Siya yung dealer. Ganda, meron namang maliliit. Pwede kasi itong USB, no? Sa USB sa kotse. Ayan, tatlo yung kinuha ko eh. Tayo sa perpesa. Ayan, kumukuti-kutitap. Ano po, 35 yata ang isa, no? At yan. Siyempre, to brighten up our Christmas. At ang parol po ay simbolo ng pag-asa. Di ba? It was the star that guided the angels, the shepherds, the wise men. No? Ang yung estrellas, yung bituin, yung star. Kaya nga tayo mga Pinoy, marami po tayo yung parol sa Pampanga at kung ano-ano pa ay ginagawa po natin. Kaya narapat ko po ipakita sa inyo. Ito po aking mga munting parol.
His soul is love, and His gospel is peace. Chains shall He break, for the slave is so broken, and in His name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy in grateful chorus raise we, let all within us praise His holy name. Christ is the Lord. Oh, praise His name forever. His
singing traditional song by carolers throughout Britain. The song reminds us how thankful and joyful the season is that we can help but to be excited when it comes again each year. Noche Buena is a song about the traditional feast Filipino all over the world partake in after the Christmas midnight mass. The lechon or roast pork, ham, pancit, leche flan, cake, fruits. These are foods that are specially prepared and eaten with family on Christmas Eve. But Noche Buena is not just about the food. It is all about a family which gathers together and expresses gratitude.
Before we sing Noche Buena, the choir would like to sing Casalia. The title may not sound familiar, but once Filipinos hear it, they can tell you that it is one of the best played Christmas songs of all time. Casalia, or Mary in English, is a Cebuano Christmas carol composed by Vicente Rubi in 1933, who happens to be the great-grandfather of our musical director. It's a famous counterpart of Ang Pasko ay Sumapit, which is a Tagalog version, but not a direct translation of the original Casalia. Casalia is both catchy and melodious, exuding the joy of the traditional Filipino Pasko and invoking visions of aguinaldo masses, hot chocolate or sikuate, and sticky rice puto for breakfast. Finally, it gives the sensation and warmth of family reunions amidst carolers serenading homes. So tonight, we would like to sing Casalia to express gratitude to the composer, but also give the recognition that Mr. Vicente Robi deserves.
Inabang ay
officially started in the Philippines. The most popular song in the Philippines is Christmas in Our Hearts, popularized by Mr. Jose Marichan. It has become a classic. The lyrics remind us that the true reason for the season is the birth of Jesus Christ, and that for us to share our blessings, especially to those who are in need.
Kia ora, Stefano. Tato Christian Inua, Director Musica Filipinas Aotearoa. Thank you so much for coming. You've all made us really grateful, very happy that you're all here to support us in our very first concert. There are some points that I would like to explain further again. So these parol, these Filipino Christmas lanterns. So these are the symbol of the Star of Bethlehem, which is also traditional Filipino. So that's how we traditionally make the parol. And have you seen a makeshift what do you call it? Tambourines. So so these are also a staple to Filipino children carolers around the Philippines. So I'm sure you're really missing how we spend Christmas in the Philippines. It's really different and it really hits home. So thank you so much. And before we finish the program, we will have our last song. You're all welcome to sing with us. I know this is, you can sing with us because it's an English show. Okay, please sing to us.
Before we end, short words. Without Christian, there won't be this point. Mama Lu started crying anyway. One of the best things that ever happened during the pandemic was the creation of this choir. For people who love to sing and for people who feel lonely, who want to sing, just to be with other Filipinos in Christchurch. And we feel a lot of gratitude for Christian. We're all different personalities, especially with me clashing always with Christian because of artistic differences. We thank Christian for everything that has happened the past 2 years of our choir. I think Christian deserves the applause today. Instead of flowers, Christian has to take care of this. This will be the symbol of our relationship. If this dies, it's the end.
So, how's about that last song? Ready?